Hi everyone, my name is Simon Misiewicz from Optimised Accountants, and in this video we're going to be talking about limited companies and if you wish to extend your filing deadline at Companies House, and that's because you may just miss it for one or multiple reasons. Well, how do you go about it? Well, the best way to do it is, as I'm showing you on the screen, is just type into a search box of Google extend Companies House filing deadline, and what you can then do is click onto that website right at the top, and what you will say at the top is accounts and tax returns for private limited companies apply to extend your accounts filing deadline. Nice and easy. What you then do is you could do this by post, but I would not recommend that. Always go for the online version. To apply it for online, click on this link here. So here is the email account. If you have an email registered with them, great, put your details in here. If you haven't and you need to register, it's going to take you no more than 5 minutes by pressing this register hyperlink, and it will take you to the next screen. Okay, so here it's now saying what is the company number. You need your company number that's registered for your limited company. Please put that number in here and then press continue when you have done. All right, it will now give you the details of your limited company. Of course, it's blurred out here to protect our clients' interests. But what you will do is check the details are correct. Once you're happy, then you press on confirm. Here it's now saying why are you applying for an extension. They do obviously want a good reason for you. So you have three options. You have illness, you have accounting issues, or applying for another reason. Now, let's imagine is this example, you might say I've got some accounting issues. What you could do is go to continue. When did this accounting issue happen? So you would put in the date that you're submitting the return, basically, or they're asking for an extension. So here, let's just put in the date 01/12/2024. There we go. All right, so put in there. Now it says, how does this affect your ability to file and return? So bookkeeping issues may result in errors in the accounts. Typing correct spelling here. Okay, now you might want to put in more information in here. What happened, what's going wrong. Put as much detail as possible in here. Once you're done though, you just need to press on continue. Do you want to upload documents to support your application? In my experience, I don't think you need to do that. And the reason why I say that is because we've extended the deadline for many clients across the years, and we've never really been questioned. So here, don't waste your time, press on no. Do you want to add another extension reason? Tick no, and then continue. What you will then be faced with is check your application for extension. Of course, we've blurred out the information in here. At the bottom, it does say confirm and submit. So that's what we're going to do. It says here the extension reason, it gives you the date. There you go. And we've got all the information we need. Now you press on confirm and submit. And finally, we've now got application submitted. It's going to send it to my email address. It's also going to say what happens next. You typically can wait up to 2 working hours from Companies House to confirm that your application has been submitted. It may be up to 1 day before your application has been approved or declined. Most times out of 10, though, you are going to get an approval. So that's it. That's how to get an extension with Companies House for your limited company filing.